Dear children and my dear students, Marwadi College Intermediate Section, Commerce Department. You are welcome here. Myself, Dr. Aftab Jamil, teacher of Marwadi Intermediate College, Ranchi. Total Commerce Department's intermediate sections 11 class are represented here, and you are most welcome here, all students, 11 class. Today is business study class. The chapter name of nature and purpose of business. Human wants are numerous, and these are also replied increasing with the expansion of science and knowledge. Every human being is busy in one activity or the other to satisfy his unlimited wants and desires. The sum total of human activities may be broadly be divided into two categories. One, economic activities. Second, non-economic activities. Economic activities is a important activities. All human activities related to production, exchange, distribution and communication of wealth are known as economic activities. For example, plugging the field by a farmer, selling goods to customers by a shopkeeper, payment of salary to employees, rent to the landlord, interest to the lender by the entrepreneurship, and wearing clothes, etc. All these activities performed by man either to satisfy his material needs or to earn money are known as economic activities. The economic activities are directly related to money and his life. Non-activities या non-economic activities, all those activities which are not related to production, exchange, distribution or consumption of wealth, or which are not performed to satisfy human wants or which cannot be measured in terms of money are known as non-economic activities. For example, nourishing a child by a mother, playing cricket for entertainment, praying to God for mental peace, service of wife and husband towards each the other are known as non-economic activities because these are not performed to earn money. Basis, there are different basis of classifications of economic and non-economic activities. The ahead given points are taken into consideration for the basis of classifications between economic and non-economic activities. Nature and purpose of business. Objective of the activities. In certain cases, the same activity can be economic or non-economic. For example, if a cricket player plays for his entertainment, it will be a non-economic activity, whereas when he plays for remuneration, it will be called economic activities. Direct relation with wealth. All these activities which are directly related with wealth are known as economic activities because these are performed for an economic object and can be measured in terms of money. Contrary to this, all those activities which are not directly related with wealth are known as non-economic activities. For example, if a nurse is working in a hospital, her activity will be termed as an economic activity because she is paid for this. While when she is working in her home, it is a non-economic activity. Legality of the activity. Legality of the activity. All activities related to wealth within the legal ambit of the state are known as economic activities. On the other hand, theft, dishonesty, black marketing, bribery, etc. are performed for economic activities, but these activities are illegal. That is why these activities are termed and non-economic activities. तो आज का हम लोग का जो क्लास है 11th क्लास का आज का जो सब्जेक्ट था वो बिजनेस स्टडी था और आज की जो चैप्टर के नाम थी वो नेचर एंड पर्पस ऑफ बिजनेस आज के चैप्टर का नाम था, जो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट चैप्टर है। मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप तमाम बच्चे इसे सुने होंगे और आज का क्लास आपने किया होगा और इसे आप लोग बढ़िया से नोट कीजिए और दोबारा पढ़िए। यदि दिक्कत होगी आप मुझे कहेंगे। इट्स ओके, देन आई गो।